what's up guys, welcome back to another interesting video. So dear friends, today I am going to talking about a very rare, unique and amazing Solana meme token that is called Cute Catholo coin. So I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you buy it in pre-sale now, and its launch coming soon on Radium as well. So I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, so don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are a new on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed all official links in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here to join this amazing platform. So dear friends, on the main side here in on front, you can also check out its social media links like that Telegram, X and Instagram as well. I also recommended to all of you must be join and follow them their social media to get latest news and updates as well. So dear friends, Cute Catholo here to consume all other memes in his bid to become the most powerful ancient one. So its pre-sale is live now on Pink Sale, and dear friends, you can also participate and buy it right now on Pink Sale. So here you can also check out its information. So Cute Catholo pre-sale is live now and it will be ended after just 5 days, 19 hours and 7 minutes. So don't miss this golden chance and must be buy this amazing coin right now. So here we can also check out that Cute Catholo is here to consume all other memes in his bid to become the most powerful ancient one. So the question is that why we should buy Cute Catholo here. So it is based on original Solana meme with sweet art and attainable roadmap and a base team. So mint and freeze revoked 100% LP burn after launch, marketing wallet lock and vest over 90 days. So zero tax on buy and sell, no private sale, unsold pre-sale token to be burned and launch on 24 hours after pre-sale end. So marketing a wallet with budget for ads, collars, partnerships, airdrops and centralized listing as well. So here you can also check out its contract address and reference. It must be kept in your mind that do not send sold to the token address as well. So the name of the token is Cute Catholo and the symbol is C Catholo as well, Catholo. So here you can also check out the decimal number is 6, and here you can also check out its total supply as well. You can also check out all information, and you can also check soft cap is 150 sol and the hard cap is 500 Solana as well. So its pre-sale will be ended in 6 June 2024 as 12 o'clock UTC time. So unsold token will be refund and liquidity percentage manual. So here you can also check out some frequently asked question and you can also get answer as well. So must be participate right now and buy this amazing coin in his pre-sale. Its price sale is minor and then it will be listed. Its price definitely will be increased as well. So here we can also check more information like that is token mix defense. I have already told you its total supply is 1 billion. So 35% LP, 40% pre-sale, 16% marketing and 9% team as well. So mint revoked, freeze revoked, LP burned, 0% tax on buy and sell as well. So marketing wallet logged, vested over 90 days. Here you can also check out its contract address as well. So here we can also check out its roadmap in Epic 1, website development, social media creations, coin creations and audit is included. In Epic 2 defense, you can also check start marketing initiative, launch on Radium, DEX, listing CMC, CoinGecko and update of DEX screener and DEX tool as well. So in Epic 3, post launch marketing and advertisement, creations of meme generator, update website, translations of website for different languages as well. In Epic 4, you can also check out the community airdrops, NFTs, centralized listing, HTML5, game development, Cute Catholo, merchandising are including. So in Epic 5, achieve $1 billion market cap, global dominations are including, and the final goal is here. So here we can also check out the question is that how can we buy after pre-sale. So dear fans, if you want to be buy on Raydium, that will be coming soon. You first need to go to your Raydium.io and you need to connect your wallet with them button at the top right corner and select your preferred Solana wallet, e.g. Phantom, and approve the connection. And you need to add a Cathalo token. Once your wallet is connected, navigate the swap top in the token selections drop down, paste the Cathalo contract address and add the token to list. Always confirm the contract address. So next step is swap Solana for Cathalo. So enter the amount of Sol you want to be swap for Cathalo and review the detail and click on the swap button. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and wait for it to be processed. Congratulations, you know on Cathalo. So here I tell you, so here come on Raydium.io. So simply connect your wallet. Dear fans, you can connect your MetaMask, Phantom, or any other wallet which you want to be connected, and here you have some Solana. Then here you need to enter your Solana amount, how much you invest. So before here you need to choose the Cathalo token, and you can also find out his contract address on the main side as well. You can also copy from here, and then you need to search here and you can select. So once it will be listed on Raydium then you will be able to find out here, and then you need to simply select here and enter your amount here, how much you want to be spend, like that 10 Sol. Then you will be able to check how much token you can get, and easily DFS you can get this token as well. So here you can also find out some useful links, and you can also get right know and learn more information. So I also recommend it to all of you must be join its Telegram to get latest news and updates. I also recommended to all of you must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates as well. So dear fans, you can also check out their previous pin tweets and much more information as well. I also recommended to all of you must be follow them their Instagram, and you will be able to check out all their posts related to Cathalo as well. So this project have a massive potential inside, and it can really help you to make a millionaire. So don't miss this golden chance, and right now must be buy it on in pink sale and hold it, and later you can sold and make a lot of profit. I hope so you like this video. Share with your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.